Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be trying a new makeup which I've purchased in recent Nykaa hauls. So I'm gonna be trying and reviewing. Some of them were like very great, some of them I don't like, some of them I like. So let's just figure it out and let's just start the video. And I've created this makeup look which is looking good, I think. So yeah, let's just jump into this video. Okay, so before I begin, I feel like applying more moisturizer because why not? I've already applied moisturizer, but still, because it's winters and I feel dry, using the Pond's moisturizer, you should apply too much moisturizer before you do makeup because makeup can dry out your skin. So it's better to have very hydrated and very moisturized skin before you start makeup. Also, I will apply a lip balm. This is by Sugar. I've shown this lip balm in a previous haul, and I just want to give a review. It's very minty, so mint. My lips actually feel very minty sensation after I apply, and it's a good lip balm. I like it, especially the smell is so mint. To begin with, I'm using the primer. This is by Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and yeah, it's a good primer to start. Oh my god, it's very good for dry skin, and in winter especially. So hydrated. I think I use a little too much, but okay, that's not an issue. It's gonna get absorbed really quickly. I have to wait. Okay, so before I begin with my base, I'm gonna be color correcting my face a little bit because as you can see, I've got severe acne issues. My skin is worse right now. So I'm taking this color corrector over here, these two, to correct my skin a little bit. Okay, so this color corrector, this entire palette is very super solid full coverage. It actually covers dark spots very evenly and very nicely. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I have like super solid acne scar issue. So but it covers, like, it's amazing. And after that, I'm using this Sugar a BB cushion foundation, and it's in the shade Latte. And oh my god, the packaging is superb, and this is the most satisfied feeling ever to remove the peel off. After that, I'm taking this cushion and applying with this same sponge that came along with it, and it's amazing. It also got damn good coverage, like it actually covers my dark circles and little bit of you know texture that I have going on onto my skin. So it covers it all. I don't even require any concealer, so I'm straight away going with my compact powder. This is by Faces Canada. It got very light coverage, like very sheer coverage, but I don't need any coverage now because I've already covered everything. So just lightly setting my face, although it's not required, but still, still. So for my eyes, I'm taking this eyeshadow palette. This is from HR. It's Hilary Rhoda. Taking this two color as my transition shade and blending it out onto my crease very nicely and buffed out. These two are a very light shade. So I'm taking this color, this like a brown, a maroonish brown color, and applying onto my lid using a flat brush, and it's a little darker color than my crease, and so I've decided to put it on my lid, and it's a nice pigmented color. And now for the pop of the color, taking this purple shade and applying onto my lower lash, and for some reason it looks same, but it's actually not in real in general. So yeah, just buffing it out, and after that I'm taking this darker purple color and applying it onto my outer V, like the outer corner, to deepen and darken a little bit to give a depth and dimension. So only applying it outer and slightly dragging into the inside, but not too much. Basically it's only for the outer V. And after that I'm taking this beige colors, like orangish yellowish beige color, and applying it onto my inner, very inner lid, to give a little a little light onto my lid. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm taking this Maybelline gel liner and applying a very thin wing line, very small, thin, tiny, very fine liner onto my lash line, very close to my lash line, and applying it onto my lower lash line as well. And this is smudge proof and very long lasting, so it's not gonna move anywhere, and also it's very pigmented, so that's why I'm applying and connecting to my upper eyeliner as well. And now I'm taking this sugar bronzer. This is the shade 02 woody bronzer, and very nice bronzer, I must say. And just bronzing up my face, my cheekbones, blending it upwards, my jawline, my forehead, my nose, everywhere I'm bronzing. And now taking this Wet n Wild blush. I don't actually like this blush because it's too light for my skin, like it's very light. It's got a very light hint of pink color. It's not suitable for people with Indian skin tone because it's too light. I don't think it suits on me as well. It's more like a compact powder. Let me give you a swatch of this. So, like, as you can see, it's called very light pink color, which is not showing up at all. Not satisfied with this purchase, so I'm taking this highlighter. This is by In Color, and oh my god, it got broke and my heart also broke. So yeah, this applying this highlighter, and oh my god, this is superb. It's actually very nice highlighter, I must say. And it looks like it, give your makeup look to the another level. It's so nice, so beautiful highlighter. It's like a pure silver with hints of glitter in it. It's not like very fine, but it has a little bit of glitter. So that's it. And for my lips, I'm taking this Maybelline lip liner. The lip liner is nice. It got a very good pigmentation. And the best thing about this is it's not retractable. It's like it is retractable, so you don't need to sharpen before use. And also you can travel with it, so travel friendly, because you don't need to carry extra sharpener. I'm taking this sugar lipstick. This is the shade pink allowed, I think. And this is the range Nothing Else Matter. Sugar got too many lipstick ranges, and it's a bullet form, and it's a pure matte color. And the color is superb, like it is the best pink color. Whoa. And it's amazing, like oh my god, it's so nice, like I'm just living with this color. Superb. The pink color is so nice. You can just wear it. It is also like wedding friendly also. And after that I forgot to curl my lash and apply mascara, so just doing it now. And guess this mascara, guys. This mascara is so nice, and you gotta guess it. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's beautiful. And now I'm just gonna be setting my face again with the same Smashbox primer water. It also works as a setting spray. And after I set my face, I realized that my highlighter has started more popping up, so it's more shining now. So that's really nice. My entire face is glowing, and just drying it out there, and yep, my look is completed.
And I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me. Maybe to my thick chicks.
Okay, so I hope you like and enjoy this video. See you all in my next video. Also subscribe to my channel because soon I'm introducing a brand new series. it's gonna be very useful. So yeah, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye, take care.